On 26th, guys, I gave out signal ideas to my public group that is on Telegram, guys, and guess what, these trades did play out as anticipated, guys. There was NZUSD. We gave our analysis on NASDAQ US30 gold trade. It's crazy, guys, how these trades really moved when I was not watching the market. So it's an annoying thing though, guys. Remember, you just have good trades, but your mind just it's crazy though. So let me show you. For example, this is NZUSD, as you see right here, over here, and I'll take you back to 26th, guys, where I had that focus analysis. 26. Okay. What's this? Let me see. Right here. So you see, this is 26th April, guys. I said that I was anticipating that NZUSD to give us a bearish pattern or a bearish reversal structure before it dropped, guys. And as you see, that is what just happened. Okay, so just a minute. Of course, let me show you another one. I'm just going to quickly reanalyze these pairs and show you what I was seeing and why I was anticipating that kind of a drop. Okay, so over here, let me just show you. This was US 100, of course, NAS 100. Let me just show you right over here. I was still anticipating that bearish property before we see that price drop. Is that NAS 100? Where are you? Right over here. And it's crazy, guys, the market respected that kind of anticipation. You see how the market dropped over 350 pips, guys. And of course, let me show you another one. Gold trade. Is this the gold trade? Let me see. Oh, this is still the New Zealand trade. Where are you, gold trade? Where are you, gold trade? Okay, right here. This is when gold was still playing out. So this was 25th, guys. Right over here, that was a scalp. And what's this? Gold 4 hour. Okay, just a minute. Dow Jones. Oh, US30. Let me show you US30. Right over here. And also that dropped as anticipated. It's crazy though that I missed these trades. My mind was elsewhere. Let me show you. Where's gold? Where are you, gold? I believe this is gold. Oh, this is NZD USD. Come on, where's that gold trade? Just a minute, let me show you. Okay, gold. NAS, New Zealand, Dow Jones. Of course, right here I also had a video explaining how I was anticipating gold to play out. And of course, if you check right below here, that was on 26th April, guys. All right, so I already showed you gold. Okay, so we see that gold dropped. Yeah, over 570 pips, which is crazy, guys. And it's funny how I miss out these trades, guys. Okay, so let me take you through and show you what I was seeing. For example, let me just start with gold based from our daily time frame. Let me explain why I was anticipating that drop. So I won't waste your time, guys. I'm just going to rush or brush. So of course, we see we had an uptrend, higher low, higher high. So of course, gold was supposed to drop from this level right here, but remember, this is based on the daily. We see that gold broke out of this structure, okay, of that higher, that resistance line. But then we see when we go to the 4 hour, let me show you. When you go to the H4, we see we also had another trend, guys. Trend inside the bigger trend, which from the daily perspective. So we had another high, low, high. Then guess what? Gold touched that support line, guys. And I keep on saying that you need to understand our price approaching support or a resistance. Okay, so when I saw that gold dropped and touched that support, guys, it gave me a bearish flag. Okay, so that's why I said I want to look for sales on gold. Remember, most people were looking for buy position, but the moment I saw this approach right here, that's when I said, okay, now I'm not supposed to look for buy position, but I should look for sell entry position, because this is an impulse correction. Guess what? We were anticipating that impulse. That's why I said look for sell position, guys, on gold. No more looking for buy entry. And guess what, guys? The market respected that. And you see, no news, the market just respected the setup. And it's crazy, guys. Over here there was a reversal, double top, then the market dropped, guys. And funny enough, I missed that entry. Okay, so I'll look into another pair, the last pair, because I don't want to waste your time, guys, and show you maybe a NASDAQ 100, and show you why I was anticipating a drop on NASDAQ 100 too. Let's take it back to the daily. Okay, all right. Now, in fact, that was based on the weekly, guys. The analysis was based from the weekly, right over here, something like this. Okay, now when we look when you turn to the weekly, guys, we understand, of course, we had a trend, high, low, and of course we anticipate that NASDAQ 100 or NASDAQ wanted to go to give us the third touch. That's when it drops. Okay, but then that is based on the weekly. Now when we go to the 4 hour, all right, when we head over to the H1, 4 hours, sorry, guys, we also see that there was also another trend inside our bigger trend from the weekly, guys, and we had a high, low, and guess what? High. So the market has been dropping for a while, and guess what? I saw that the market is giving me bearish property, guys. That's why I said let me just look out for sell position, because the market is giving me a bearish property. What do I mean by that? This is an impulse, and guess what? But then the market was giving us high, low, high. So of course I was anticipating that drop. So, and it's crazy, it did that. And right over here is where we should have taken our sell position, right over here, because that's kind of a double top, guys. A reversal, boom, and then the market broke that our candle, guys. So amazing run though. Look at this, our candle, guys. So that's when we should have taken that sell position. And guess what? The market gave us over 350 pips. Crazy. And of course you see where the target or TP was, guys, respecting this trend. First touch, of course, second touch, third, another touch. At the same time, my anticipation is that NASDAQ wants to target this higher trend line from the higher time frame, so probably give us another continuation pattern before it drops. That is another signal, guys, that I've given you, guys. So it's funny how I miss all these entries, guys, and it's annoying. I don't know why, but the moment I find an entry, guys, I take an entry, the market doesn't move. It takes years or ages to move. But the moment you miss out on trades, that's when the market moves. Anyway, I hope you guys learned something from this short video, and check out my Telegram link in the description box, guys. And do not be scammed. There's a Telegram channel with over 5k subscribers, more than me, scamming people with my name, guys. That's not me. My links in the description box, guys. So adios, mi amigos. Peace.